Let me show you something. Here you can see unorganized files in my download folders. And if I organized it manually, then it will take so much time. Then I fix this problem and I write some line of code which can fix this problem automatically just by write one command. So I am going to show you, you can just write one command and you will fix this problem. So here I put some files to show you that how we can organize these files into different folders through just one command. Okay, so here I will show you code. You can see the code. Here I write some line of codes which will help you to organize files. Let's say if we have images and different type of images, and here these images will be moved into the images folders. Okay, and if you have different type of documents, and this will be move into the document folders, and if you have videos, so it will move in the videos folders. So now we need to run the command is npm run start. After this we need to put two hyphens. After this we need to copy the path that we want to organize the files. Okay, so here we can see the folder of test where the all file exist, and here we need to copy this path. After the copy we need to paste it, and after the paste it we need to enter, and we can see the output that all files are moved into the different type of folders. And here we can see in the file explorer, and here all four type of folders created, and here we can see the different type of documents where exist into the documents folder. Okay, so this command will help you organize different type of files in different folders. You need to just write some lines of code. Here let's say here we need to just two module fs and path, and after this we need to take arguments of command line. Okay, here if we write npm run start, then this will take command, and here we take the path. Here you can see the d test, and this will take the path target folder where we need to organize files. And after this we apply some conditions that file exist or not, folders exist or not. So after this we need to show that type of extensions where exist or not. If this type of extensions exist, then this will move into that particular folders. Let's say here you can see the mp4, and this is the type of extension of videos, so this file will be moved into the videos folder. Okay, so you can organize different type of files into the folders just by writing one command in seconds. Okay.